How to fix Gmail Notifier for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall Gmail Notifier on Mac. #bin/bash #check if the Gmail Notifier application is installed if d/application/Gmail Notifier.app. Then echo Gmail Notifier is not installed on this Mac. Exit #1fi #stop any running instances of the application sudo kill Gmail Notifier #remove the application bundle sudo rmrf/application/Gmail Notifier.app. #remove the preferences file rmrf/library/preferences/com.gmail.Gmail. Notifier.plist. #remove the application support folder rmrf/library/application/support/Gmail Notifier echo Gmail Notifier has been successfully uninstalled. Here's how to use the script. 1. Open a text editor such as TextEdit on your Mac. 2. Copy and paste the script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh file extension. For example, you can name it uninstall_Gmail_Notifier.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file. 5. Make the script file executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod+x uninstall_Gmail_Notifier.sh. 6. Run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall_Gmail_Notifier.sh. 7. Enter your administrator password when prompted. The script will stop any running instances of the application, remove the application bundle, preferences file, and the application support folder, and display a message confirming that the uninstallation was successful. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.